Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhole Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is sorting technique and explain their time complexity and space complexity. Before going to discuss time complexity and space complexity, we firstly discuss what is meant by sorting. So sorting is the most important part of our programming. So firstly, sorting, with the help of sorting, we sort the element and we rearrange the element of by descending order and ascending order. Suppose we want to sort the array by ascending order or descending order, we use the sorting technique. There are multiple sorting technique present in the Java. First, I know only 9 to 10. In list, merge sort, selection sort, radix sort, bucket sort, shell sort, then insertion sort, and quick sort. That's we suppose basic three main sort we use the most of time in our programming. That is insertion sort, selection sort, or bubble sort. Then firstly we will discuss the what is meant by bubble sort. So with the help of bubble sort, we easily sort the array by ascending order or descending order. We can take only two element and sort array. Then it is in that bubble sort we take lots of time because there are n number of execution. Suppose our element is 5 and we sort this element 4 times, that it required lots of time. Before going to discuss time complexity and space complexity, we will discuss what is meant by time complexity and space complexity. So first is time complexity. Time complexity means number of time, the time which is required to execute any sort, that is called as time complexity. And what is meant by space complexity? So number of space required in the memory and number of variable. Suppose we declare the in number of lots of variable, that it requires the more space in our program, that is called as space complexity. So as per discussion our time complexity and space complexity, bubble sort takes more time to sort array. So their bubble sort time complexity is omega of n, and space complexity is vig of n raised to 2. Then next is selection sort. With the help of selection sort, we easily sort the array by exchanging the two element. Then selection sort time complexity is omega of n square, and space complexity is omega of big of n square. Then next one is insertion sort. With the help of insertion sort, we sort the element by reverse. Means we use the loop in loop, and second loop we reverse the element. It requires some lots of time because firstly we sort the array. Then if my element is small, then we swap the array. That take so much time. That's why it is time complexity is omega of n, and it is space complexity is big of n square. That's all about the sorting technique and their time complexity and space complexity. Thank you so much.